Hello everyone, I'm Mike Sandoval with Remax Gold and I'm at 3412 Green Meadow Avenue in West Sacramento. Now, if you're looking for an amazing single-story remodel home for under $500,000, this home is for you. So without further ado, come take a tour with me. This great 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1364 square feet has amazing amenities, including a brand new central heating and air cooling system, a brand new kitchen, remodeled bathrooms, new flooring, and many other great items. So continue the tour and meet me in the backyard. Now, wasn't that a great home? Well, it can be yours today. So when you're ready to take a private tour with me, reach out to me anytime at 916-798-9417. It's Mike Sandoval with Remax Gold, and I'll catch you next time.